everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm Gabby.
I'm Jocelyn.
And we're going to be unboxing our Farmasi Starter Kit that we got in the mail the other day. That you get when you sign up to be a beauty consultant for $19.99. That kit came in the box, and then a bunch of catalogs came in the box, and a little calendar as well. Now, the way the catalogs work is the makeup is on the front half, and then you flip it over, and then you've got skincare on the back half. Skincare, hair care, that kind of stuff in the back. Let me see. Alright, and you want to open up the box, see what's in it?
That was fast. You're able to open it really fast. So we got, like,
Turn around.
mini lipsticks.
Some lipstick samples. Let's see how, go ahead, I'm going to count how many there are.
Okay. And
14 samples you get. And they're pretty good size too. So that'd be helpful.
we got this.
What is that? Oh, that's for marketing and sales tips to do that. To be successful for that. If you want to try and make it a home business like I'm going to try and do so that I can stay home with the girls a little bit more.
And we got the color chart.
Yep. And on the inside of this color chart, it's different looks. Here, let me show you. Different looks that you may want, and also different foundation colors, things like that. Let me show a page where it had little looks on it. Where was it? Here we go. That's just different looks. Ooh, that one's pretty.
Yeah.
That's a pretty look.
Yeah, that's my favorite in the book.
So that's what that color chart is.
We
Comes
got
in the
a
kit.
skincare guide. Like these ladies, they have beautiful skin.
They do have beautiful skin. Okay,
If only
let's
we
see
had
this.
skin like theirs.
Let's see what
Nice.
it is. Why is... Okay. Go ahead and see what else there is. I just want to read this.
Okay, and we got cute little pharmacy bags. Little bags, gift bags. If you want to give someone makeup, like those are one of those little samples.
Yep.
And we got one that says, but first, makeup. Oh, and
Yeah, it says
on the
something
back, it
yeah.
says, beauty never dies.
Oh, that's good.
Oh,
Oops.
whoops. There goes your front case.
It's okay.
And on the front of this one, it says, your life is short, your lashes shouldn't be. And on the back, it also says, beauty never dies.
Okay.
And we have, it says vitalizing, and it's, what?
It's shampoo. It's the shampoo.
It's shampoo.
It's the garlic shampoo line, which it has a couple of shampoos. It has the hair mask and the oil, which I was really excited to get this because I want to try this shampoo. It's for hair growth. And it doesn't smell like garlic, though, so don't worry about that. You're not gonna
Never
be
put
stinky.
garlic in your hair.
You're not going to be stinky.
Just a life habit. And we have, two double effect,
These are
little
balms.
masks.
Yeah. This one right here is the paprika and chili. My mom has that one, and she loves it. I want to try that one. This one, the other one, I'm not really sure what that one's for. Oh, it says relaxing massage gel. Okay. Sorry. Go ahead.
And we have something oil. I don't know how to say it. But it says some is
Oh, for
hand
face cream.
cream, some is face cream, and some is a sleeping mask.
Yep. So it's for the skincare line.
And we have one that says Stay Matte.
Yep. That's the foundations.
Yep.
Let's see if they have different. Okay, well, it doesn't say what colors it is. Oh, on the front it says 01, 02, 03, 04. So I guess you would have to find in the catalog what color ranges those are
That you want to
pick
try.
out, to pick out which one would match your skin tone. Okay.
And I think we are going to sample these and see how they look.
You want to sample one?
Yeah.
Okay. Open it up. Right there, that's sealed. It's sealed.
Yeah.
You gotta tear it open. Okay.
Step on me. This one looks nice. It's the shade It kind of looks a bit, it's pink, but it kind of looks a bit darker on camera.
What's the name?
It's Lotus or something?
Lotus.
Lotus.
Yep.
Can't
Okay.
really see it.
Good. Does it smell funny? Smell nice?
It smells nice.
Yeah.
Doesn't really smell funny.
Okay.
But
Well, sometimes they have a strong chemical smell to them.
And that's the shade of my skin.
Okay.
It's the same color as my lips.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. The exact same color.
Look.
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
that's
we're
cool.
we're not really going to get to see. But is it soft on your lips? Is it? Yeah.
Is
it sticky?
No.
No. I'm going to put it on my hand to see. Ooh, it is soft.
Yours is dark. Well, it's dark on your skin.
Okay. All right, well, we'll stick that over here, and that one's yours for now, okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's put this
Should
back
we
in
show
here.
the little thing?
Yep, we also
Okay.
got, now this, no, hang on. So this makeup, and the little magazines, catalogs, and then these samples is what you get for $19.99 when you sign up as a beauty consultant. All of that. Now, when you sign up, you also get discounts on the product, obviously. So I went ahead and ordered a few things online while I was online. And this is one of the things I got right here.
So we got a mini makeup palette for mini touch-ups in the car if you want your makeup to look nice before a date.
Oh.
And these are the shades, and you can use it for smoky eyes.
I used this the other day, and the pigment is great. You don't really have to do a lot to your lid. I basically just put a little bit of primer and a little bit of concealer on my lid, and the pigment was awesome. I posted a picture on my beauty page on Facebook. Project Glamour is what it's called, and I loved it. It's great. The formula is really soft. They're very the gray and the white are shimmery though. So if you like shimmery shadows, this is definitely a good one for you. And it's on the smaller side. It's $20 so it is on the smaller side. But as good as the pigment is, you barely use any. I mean, I used it to do a look, and you can barely even see that I've used any out of that. And there's not a lot of fallout or anything like that for those. I also got this.
Another one.
Yep, I got brown because I was originally going to do a compare and contrast look with some of the other makeup that I have compared to this, but I think I've actually changed my mind, and I'm going to give this brown one away as a gift for one of my parties that I do, or something like that on the page. I don't know for sure just what I'm going to do, but yeah, make sure that, well, don't lose that plastic.
Here are the colors.
No,
this one is shimmery, and the rest two are just matte colors, basic colors.
Okay, and both those palettes are $20 on the website. Let me see if it has a name. Vice Brown is what that's called. I don't know if you can kind of. It's not really focusing, but anyway, Vice Brown is what that's called. And I'm going to use that as a giveaway. It's not been swatched or anything. We just opened it so that we could see the colors. It's not been touched.
Okay. And we have these.
Not that one.
Well, not that one. We have this mascara called Zen, and it's a really good one. It says it's the extension lash. My mom used it the other day, and it looked like it was fake eyelashes, but it wasn't. I
used this the other day. I love this. This is $8.90 on the website, and it's lash extensions to basically make your eyelashes look longer, and it really does. It works really good. I had this one from Walmart for $5. I don't know if you can see it or not. For $5, and it's not a bad mascara, but as far as doing lash extensions, no, this doesn't I don't think give you any kind of length on your eyelashes, but this one right here for $8.90 does. I love this, especially for the price. That's an amazing price. And the wand on it, you can see, oops, let me get that off there. The wand on it is, the bristles on it are really small, so it doesn't leave like a lot of clumps on your eyelashes, which was nice.
And maybe in one video we will do a compare and contrast on this one and see how it looks, and maybe like take mom's like makeup off and like do this one, and then on the other side we'll do this one.
Okay.
And then see how this one or this one looks better on her.
All right. Sounds good. All right. Well, I think that's all for us for right now. We thank you for watching, and tune in on our next video when we compare these.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thanks.